Now for the priming. As you can see, this laminate dresser had a little bit of bubbling and a little repair here and there that needed patching up. There was a scratch on the back, there was bubbling on the front, but BIN shellac or bin shellac base primer is a bonding primer, and you do not need to sand. This primer sticks to everything. And again, it didn't require a sanding. So I went ahead and I primed the top, knowing that I was going to sand afterwards to see exactly where I needed to put the wood fill. And I actually really like doing this. I realized the norm is to sand your piece, wood fill, and then prime. But often if I have these little divots that need repairing, it's hard to see until I prime. So I will go at it the opposite way, and it works perfect. I will prime. Once the primer is on, I see all the little flaws in the furniture, like the tiniest little divots you'll see once it's primed. So once I see all those, I get out the wood fill and I will fill all of them, and then I will sand, and then I will reprime again. I also have a full tutorial on how to use this BIN bonding shellac base primer, which I'll include in the card above and also in the description below. I also want to mention that I also include all my supplies that I use in the description box below as well. So if by chance you like the color or any of the products I'm using, they will be included.